turn now back to New Hampshire for the trial against Adam Montgomery. This is the fourth day that the defendant has chosen not to attend the court proceedings where he stands accused of murdering his own 5-year-old daughter, Harmony, in 2019. Her remains have never been found, but Adam's estranged wife, Kayla, has told the jury that he punched the child to death after she had an accident in the car in which they were living. Before we get back into court, we hit the pause button. I want to bring in my guest attorneys, Marie Pereira, Michael Jaafar. Michael, let me ask you this. A, is she credible at the end of the day? And B, we are now on recross. How much longer can or should this go on, knowing that the jury has heard quite a bit from her over 2 days already?
I think this has to go on as long as possible because this is basically the case, right? This is the entire case. I mean, maybe there's other witnesses the defense still has to put on their case, but I think this is basically the defense's case. So I think it has to go on. In terms of her credibility, obviously she's not credible. She perjured herself. She obviously is not a credible person, but it's plausible that he punched his daughter to death because of the conduct that he's already admitted to after the fact. He's already admitted to abusing the corpse and doing all that, and he's clearly not in the courtroom. Again, the metaphor of metaphors for any case. So she's credible from that respect, but she's a terrible witness, and she's like I said, she's a villain. There's two villains in this case. One of them is not standing in defense of the charges. She's that villain, right? So you have a villain testifying. She's clearly not credible.